Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Ban Ban from Garten of Ban Ban. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Ban Ban, let's begin with a circle for the eye. So I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye right here. Then I'm going to leave a little bit of space and I'll make another circle for an eye right here. I'm going to make a little circle towards the bottom of each one, and I'm just going to go ahead and color this in. Starting here, I'm going to curve this line around and I'm going to come down and then back up for a smile. And then right here, we're going to make a little line that's going to come down and then back up for a tongue. And then we're just going to connect this for a smile. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up to a point and then down. And I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to come up to a point and then down. Then I'm just going to curve this around to connect it. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out on each side. I'll do the same thing here. We're just going to draw a line that comes out. Then I'm going to make it get a little bit bigger on each side. So we're just going to curve it out a little farther and come down. I'm going to make 3 little bumps that just kind of go down and then up. Same thing here, we're going to go down and up, down and up, down and up. I'm going to curve this up on each side. And then we're just going to draw this line up. Next, we're going to make this line come down on each side. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down on each side for the leg. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out and come around. Same thing here, we're going to come out and then bring it around. Then I'm going to bring this line up and then down here to finish off the legs. Starting here, I'm going to make a little curved line across the top. And then we're going to make a couple little lines coming down at a diagonal. And then right here, I'm going to make a little curved line. And there you go, there is your drawing of Ban Ban from Garten of Ban Ban. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.